Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove the deleted snap on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your snaps, and there just go to head over to any saved snap, and here you'll find the three dots on the top right. And here, in this layout, you will see the option of delete snap. Tap on delete snap. Just tap on delete to confirm it. And as you can see, once deleted, memories can be recovered. So you can't recover it. So make sure you check it first and then tap on delete, and the memory is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can just remove friends, or sorry, remove or delete saved snaps on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.